everyone, Sarah here at St.Albert Dodge's Active Showroom. Today I'm showing you this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Sport. So as you can see, my hand is on this bush push bar. So if you are going through the bush or any trees, they're actually going to hit this before they hit your Jeep itself. As you can see, these tires that are almost as tall as me here, it's also going to give you some great off-roading capabilities paired with the trail rated badging. So with that badging, that means it's been through vigorous testing for all terrains. It is a two-door Jeep, and it does have the hard top that does come off. It comes with the deep tinted glass. Coming around in the back here, you're going to see this split cargo area. So you can open the door to the cargo area. You're going to be able to slide in anything really easily. Or if you need to, you can lift up that glass. The second row in the Jeep does go down for any cargo space that you might need, as well as it has some cargo area here. And these pins are actually, as you can see, it shows you where to put the bolts for all your top that can be removed. I'm going to show you some interior features, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, Sarah here. Thank you for staying tuned. As I said, I'm showing you some interior features of this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Sport. So, as you can see, this hard top right here, it does come off just with some simple opening up some hinges. You can lift that right off, and then you can enjoy those rays. You can also remove the doors. This vehicle is made for off-roading, and it's made to have some exposure to the elements. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. It has just over 66,000 kilometers. This vehicle is in great shape. It has a 2-tiered middle console area that is also lockable, and it has a glove box that's lockable as well. So if you do have the roof or the doors off, you're still able to keep your things secure. This unit has one owner and a clean Carfax. If you want to know more information about it, give us a shout at 780-458-8660.